Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Wix to create a portfolio. So let's get started. First, you're gonna head over to the website wix.com. And if you're new to Wix or you've never used it before, then you're gonna have to sign up first. So let me go ahead and show you. This is what it'll look like for you if it's your first time visiting the website. So you're just gonna go ahead and click on get started in the middle, and then from here you can go ahead and sign up using your email, or you can simply use your Google account or Facebook account. So I've already signed up with my account, so I don't need to do that. So let me just go ahead and head over to my dashboard. So this is what it'll look like for you once you have signed up for an account. You'll be in this interface right here. So you need to click on Design Site at the top right here. And from here, you're going to select Customize a Template. So click Pick a Template. From here, you're just going to choose a template of your choice. There's plenty to choose from. You can go ahead and choose one that is for portfolios, since that's what we're trying to make here after all. Let's say you found a template that you're interested in. So for example, this one right here. Before editing it, we can go ahead and click on View so we can see what this template actually looks like. This right here is the preview of the template that we chose to see. So just go ahead and check it out. If you like it and you want to use this template, just go back and then you can go ahead and click on Edit. But I'm not going to be using this template right here. This is just an example. I'm going to look for another one. I'm going to pick this one as an example, and as you can see, it doesn't exactly say portfolio, but it can be used as a portfolio for artists. So yeah. Now you just have to wait for a little bit. It may take a while though, it depends. So you just have to wait for it to finish loading up the website or the template. There we go. Our website or template has been loaded up. So over here, you're gonna be met with this pop-up. Just click on the X button. Then just wait for this to finish loading. And now we can actually start customizing our template. So here it is right here. Let's take a little look at it first. And it looks good. So we can start with this part right here. So at the top we have projects, about, and contact. So those are the different sections that we have for our template. And for this first part here, we can go ahead and change the background, and you can also click on quick edit to change some stuff here, like the section background as well as the title. There's also the layout. And yeah, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on the picture here or background, and you can click on change background, and you can change it to the background of your choice. So just click on image. Then you can go ahead and click on upload media at the top, so you can choose your own picture. We do have Shutterstock and Unsplash down here as well, so I'm just going to pick one from here since I don't have my own picture. Once it's set, you can go ahead and click on the X button. Now moving on to our projects. So in this section, this is basically your works. So you're going to just click on the first picture right here. Then you're going to click on Manage Media. So here you can actually delete these images here because these are just for the template. These are obviously not your own works. And after you deleted them, you can go ahead and click on Add Media to add your own works, of course. then click on image, then click on upload media to upload your own projects. We do have the Shutterstock and Unsplash down here as well, but obviously we're not going to be using that, so let's just close out of that. And once you are done uploading your works, you can go ahead and click done. Now let's move on down here. So at this part right here, this is just basically a decoration. As you can see, this is a decorative image, so you can change that if you want. Here at the about us, this is gonna be where you are going to click on this part, and then you're going to click on edit text. So this is where you're going to write a short description about yourself, you know, your work. What do you do? Don't have to make it that long, like this example here. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on the X button. Alright, moving on down here. So here we have another decorative image. You can change this if you wanted to, or just leave it as is. And down here, this is the get in touch part, or the contact info part of your website. So this is the part where your clients can get in contact with you. They're going to enter their name right here, and then their email, as well as their phone number, and a message for you. And once they're done, they can go ahead and click on send message. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention two things. So if we head over to the top here, you can actually change this part where it says UA, and then you can change that to your own logo or whatever. So it's just text. You can go ahead and click on edit text, and then you can change it. Then click on X once you're done. The other thing I forgot to mention is actually down here. You can go ahead and click on this part right here, and you can enter in your own email. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on the X button. Now go ahead and review your template. And once you're done, you can go ahead and hit publish at the top right corner. Here is the URL to our website. Just click on view site. So this is our finished website. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.